Hey guys, this is Sam and Nick, and we're going to teach you some hiking skills.
We're gonna go on a hike. Let's get away from the house.
Hey guys, this is Sam,
And this is Nick.
and we're going to teach you some basic hiking tips. You okay?
Yep.
I'll do it again. Hey guys,
Hey, this is Nick.
this is Sam, and we're going to teach you a bit about hiking today. Time for our first hiking tip of the day.
Hydration. And I actually didn't bring water. Did you bring water? We should go get water.
All right, we're just hiking back now. We're going to go get some water, fill it up, and we'll be back shortly with your next tip of the day.
Don't forget that.
Watch what you're doing. Just freshly filled up our water bottles, and we're out for round 2.
Yeah, tell me how you're feeling, Nick. Give a little
I'm
update.
feeling good. We had a good lunch. We had some sandwiches. I feel more energy than I have in a long time.
Good.
We haven't used this.
Let's set up right here.
Okay.
All right, you ready? Let's get one of us walking.
Okay.
Oh, we can go up.
This way. Right?
Yep.
Yeah. Are we out?
I think we're out.
Yeah, I gotta go pee. So do you wanna?
Okay, so Nick, why don't you give us our next tip of the day?
Bring a compass. We are now walking northwest. And the reason we know that is because Sam has a compass on his phone.
Yep, can be found on any app store.
an
Just type in
iPhone?
compass, and it should come up. I
Yeah. Where's the trail go to?
wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, let's go back.
Sometimes if you're not paying attention, you'll hit the end of a trail and just backtrack, which is why it's great to have a compass. Are you peeing?
Yeah.
All right. So we're getting close to nightfall. We're gonna set up camp soon. Dude, you just dropped the bottle.
Pick it up on the way back.
Okay.
The glory of the Pacific Northwest. Pacific. Let me try that again. You okay?
Yeah, here we go.
Here we go. Energy, more energy.
Here we go.
Well, no, like at the start,
I
not in the
see.
middle.
Next time we.
Just taking a little break now, having some water. It's a great opportunity to talk a little bit about the local vegetation. So here we have a sort of standard fern type plant. So all this, as we're walking, you can see it's on a slant, it's uphill, it's from erosion.
Up here we have a low branch, so Sam and I are going to duck under it.
Yep.
It's on my bag. I think I just touched poison oak. So now Sam's turn. We're just trying to get to this tree.
Okay, yeah, looks good.
No, take a photo.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
I think.
I see them do this a lot.
it's like
They do this.
We need to get a rock. Okay.
Have you seen my keys?
I did manage to bring floss with me. I'm gonna try to makeshift a rabbit trap. Maybe like a noose.
Not a noose, dude. You want to catch it, you don't want to hang it.
Yeah, well, so just try to fashion a noose.
I'm not gonna do a noose, but we'll do a trap. Are you using it?
Yeah.
This is more of like a makeshift example that you could do for real in the wild with something better than floss in a backpack and no food underneath. If you needed to, this is the basic way you'd construct a trap.
A bear!
We're just gonna grab our stuff and start heading back. Nick thinks he saw a bear.
My water bottle. My water bottle.
Just go, 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 go. Leave it.